Hello everyone, welcome to a new series of solving the LeetCode questions for series of 30 Days of Pandas. I'm not going to solve all of them because unfortunately there are some paid questions, but I will try to solve as much as I can any question that is not needed to be paid. I will do that. And maybe one day, if I found enough sources like followers and so on, I start to invest by buying paying for the account and following with solving all the issues, even the paid ones. Okay, the first question of the series is about big countries. So what it says is that we have this information with columns name, continent, area, population, and GDP, and the type of the columns that we have. And it says that a country is big if the area is at least 3 million, a population at least 25 million, and it wants us to write a solution to find the name, population, and area of these big countries with these rules that we have. And there is not importance on the order of the data that we return. So let's return what we want to return. First stop world dot query. What do we want to query is that the area is at least 3 million. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or, because it says or, so it's not and. Or population is at least 25000000. And what it needs is to return name, population, and area. Okay, let's see. And we see that it checks if the area is more than this number or the population is more than the number, and it returns the 3 columns that we need to return: name, population, and area. Okay, let's submit. And yeah, thank you for your attention. Until the next one, bye.